Healthy skin doesn't stop at the face wash, diet plays a huge role, and if you're not careful, eating certain foods will bring on acne. It won't even matter if your skincare routine costs a pretty penny, if you don't eat well, bad skin is sure to come. If your diet doesn't have healthy nutrients, you won't be happy with the reactions. The typical Western diet isn't the best for clear skin. Pay attention to the way your body reacts and figure out which foods cause acne. Here are the foods that might be harming your skin. Milk and dairy. Cow's milk and dairy products contain casein and whey protein, which are thought to raise levels of a certain hormone, insulin-like growth factor 1, or IGF-1, which is linked with increased production of sebum, the oily substance produced by our skin, which is, in turn, linked with acne development. Fast food. Fast food items are often deep-fried in refined vegetable oils, such as canola oil, safflower, and peanut oil, and loaded with trans fats. While vegetable oils may sound healthy, they do contain the word vegetable after all. They can aggravate skin conditions because they're extremely high in omega-6 essential fatty acids. Processed meats. When you wake up to puffy, swollen skin, take inventory on yesterday's meals to see if you ate a lot of salt. This includes restaurant foods or processed foods, which can pack a sneaky, high sodium content. Processed meats such as bacon and cured meats, such as brine chicken, contain sodium, which can lead to water retention and can cause swelling and puffiness in the face. Caffeine. Studies have shown regular caffeine consumption can increase cortisol levels, which may impact skin by causing inflammation, stress, and skin breakouts.